Let's bake some donuts with your sourdough discard. This is a quick recipe that can be made any time of the day. Let's hop into the kitchen and get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a donut pan with non-stick spray. Melt a quarter cup of unsalted butter in the microwave and set it aside. For our dry ingredients, we'll stir together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a large bowl. In a separate medium bowl, mix together the melted butter, 1/3 a cup of oil, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3/4 a cup of milk or water. If you want a stronger taste of sourdough, use 1 cup of your starter and half a cup of water. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful you don't overmix your batter. Scoop the batter into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and clip the corner to about 1/2 inch in width. Squeeze the batter about 3/4 of the way up into each donut well. Place your pan in the oven and bake for 20 minutes or until they are done. Let the donuts cool in the pan for about 2 minutes, then pop them out and place them on a wire rack to cool completely. While the donuts are cooling, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Let's get started on our icing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Shout out to my neighbor who brews his own extract and gave me a bottle. Love the flavor! And 2.5 tablespoons of milk or cream. Add more milk or cream to get your desired consistency. Gently dip the donuts in the glaze on one side. Carefully pull them out and place them on a cooling rack. Toss some fun sprinkles on top, if they're handy. The next time you have more sourdough starter than you'd like, try making this recipe. It's quick and super tasty. Let me know how it went for you in the comments below. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.